Hey, Sam here, and welcome to Video Sumo. It's a cloud-based software that lets you rank on YouTube and Google quickly. Okay, now there's no magic bullet when it comes to ranking. There's different ways to be able to go doing it, like doing live video or other sort of tactics. However, one of the best, sure ways to do it is by having good content within your video descriptions, tags, things like that. Now, to dominate your niche, and this is actually hard work, you could go through YouTube, you could go search up your competitors, you could manually sift through everything and find what makes their listing great, and then try and go one better. That's where something like Video Sumo actually comes into its own. It's a really, really handy research tool, and it's got a few other tools that make it super simple to get ranking faster using what your competitors are doing, find out gaps in your niche, and be able to get ranking as well. So what I can do here is if I go create campaign, and I go into research, you can see we can go about researching our thing. So I'm going to call this one demo, and I'm going to click on research. Now what I can do is in here I can search keywords, so I can write in, let's just say for example, rapid fat loss system for, let's just say that fitness niche, fat loss niche, and now I can choose a country. So we've got a whole bunch of different Google locations. So at United States, one of the high competition ones. If we go somewhere like a bit more low competition, like in Australia, we can go into there and go search now. Now this is going to come about pulling up a whole bunch of results. So as you can see up here, it says the difficulty rank, so it tells you how hard or difficult it is to rank for it. You can see the keyword where it is all going. So different keywords and the amount of search results relating to that keyword. So that's all like that. So we did fat loss system, so we got 21-day rapid fat loss system, 4919, and we can see how difficult it is to get ranking within these as well. So if I choose one of these, Genesis rapid fat loss system, as we can see, not that many results, so it's quite, won't be very competitive. Spartan advanced rapid fat loss system, so you can piggyback off some of the other stuff that's already out there. Okay, so what I can do is I can go through, I can find any sort of one of these that I think will fit what I'm trying to do. So we'll just choose this one here, Genesis. I'm going to view the data. This is going to go about pulling all the data from the sorts of videos that are out there with this. So as we can see, we've got one up here, has come up here, partial match, exact match. So the description, we can see this partial match, exact match. So we can sort of just see this is the first ranked video on YouTube, but it's not even in the top 10 on Google. So it's probably got a lot to be desired when it comes to opening the content. Now I can open this in YouTube, I can open the channel, or I can check it out in here. So as you can see, it's only got 3 tags. Very, very simple. When it comes to the title, there is not much to it as well. Okay, so this is YouTube rank number 2 under the system. As we can see, if I go show tags, it's only got 1 tag in there. It's from a channel that's got quite a few subscribers. Now this one here has got quite a big following, and then if we go into here, there's no tags on that one either. So when it comes to this sort of stuff, it could be quite easy to be able to go about ranking within these keywords as well if I wanted to. Now within this software, I can export this data to be able to go through and use it in my own videos and put it up. Now when I can do that is I can tune this, I can go one better, like this is probably just a small example of what you can do. You could go one better with it as well and go about creating a compelling video with a lot better content data and that you can get on YouTube and have it ranking within minutes. There's been cases of it going on the first page of Google and YouTube within a day. So I've chosen a random niche in a random country, in the fact of Australia, very low competition. However, for the more competitive markets, this would be a very very special tool. So for those of you who got a bit of time up your sleeve and you want to see in depth how this works and some case studies on it coming through and working as well, I'm going to put on a video from the guy that created this, a guy called Mark Bishop. He's going to walk you through the software completely in about 10 minutes and also show you some case studies of how it has worked for them as well.
You may be wondering why you need Video Sumo. After all, there are lots and lots of great video research tools out there. They already exist. There's lots and lots of great video creation tools, but Video Sumo is designed to be simple. And what I mean by that is anybody can log in, they can quickly research keywords and phrases, and they can even create highly specific videos to plug those traffic pockets. Now before I take you through the actual software itself, let me explain why Video Sumo is perfect for anybody in a rush to get results. Let's begin with traffic. In this business, we all know that we need as much traffic as we can possibly get. Now, you can buy traffic, you can try to figure out SEO and wait around for months and months and months hoping to get some traffic, or you could try Video Sumo. Now, here you can see one of my posts. What I've done here is I've turned that post into a basic video, and using the competition analysis inside of Video Sumo, I was able to find a phrase which is make money with ClickBank on autopilot and rank for that pretty much straight away. So you can see here I have a video, it's on page 1. If you'd like to go over and check that for yourself, be my guest. But you can see that this little video here is driving traffic to my blog post. Now essentially this little video, your little video, whatever it is, can drive traffic to wherever you want to. Now let's assume that you were just starting out. You didn't have any assets, you didn't have that much experience, you didn't have a blog or a website or anything like that, and you just wanted to make a little money. Now many of us know that you can do that through a process called launch jacking. Essentially what launch jacking is riding the wave or riding the buzz that surrounds a particular launch on a particular day. And you can see that Venkata has ranked here using the software. Now he could take that video using our software and he could upload that video to multiple phrases. So same video, lots and lots of different phrases found using Video Sumo. So you can see page 1 there, page 1 here, another page 1 right here, and yet another one here. Now the point I'm trying to get across is the fact that this is very easy. Now I mentioned at the beginning of this video that there are lots and lots of great research tools out there, lots and lots of great video creation tools out there. And that's great, but you'll find that most of those are complicated tools. They're about perfection. Video Sumo is about results, very, very quick results, and it's done in a very, very simple and user-friendly way. And let me show you how it works. As you can see, this is a SaaS platform, so there's nothing to download. You simply log in and use it whenever you want to. I'm going to set up a new campaign, quickly take you through the steps. So you can see that we have 2 elements to this platform. So number 1 is research, number 2 is video creation. So I'm going to start with research, and then we'll just click here like so. And this next step is to add a seed keyword. So a seed keyword or phrase, something that you want to rank for. Now what Video Sumo does is it correlates and analyzes data from both YouTube and Google. And you can choose to search from the United States, obviously, because that's where most of your customers are going to be found, but if you'd rather keep it local or targeted to your area, then you can do so. This would be useful, say for example, if you wanted to find traffic pockets for local businesses, for example. But for this demo, I'm just going to leave it as United States. We're going to keep things quite broad. So the first step, as you can see, is to add your phrase, your seed phrase or keyword, add that there, and then click search now. And you can see straight away the software starts to search and correlate from YouTube and Google. And to make things very, very easy, the ranking data is displayed in a traffic-like system. So you can see that we have red, it's going to be difficult to rank anything that's in red. Amber, that's kind of somewhere in the middle, and obviously green. So green obviously being the easiest to rank. So although we put numerology report up here, we can see that that's going to be potentially tricky to rank for. But what we can do is we can find a phrase that we can use. Now this may not relate specifically to an affiliate product, for example, but what we can do here is we can rank for a bunch of phrases using the same video and drive that traffic to, say, the affiliate offer, for example. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to understand which phrases you're going to be able to use. Now let's scroll down and let's look at this one here, for example. So if I click here, you can see that it gives me the top video data. Now why is this important? Well, these videos are already ranking. So it may be on YouTube, it may be on Google, it may be on both. So you can see this one, for example, has a YouTube rank of number 1, so number 1 in YouTube, and it's on page 1 of Google. Okay, so you can see position number 2. Now what we can do here is we can actually select this one, we can select several if we wanted to, and then we can either export that data. So let's assume that you have a bunch of videos, perhaps you've uploaded them already and they didn't rank very well. What we can do here is we can export all of the data down into a CSV file, and then we can re-upload those videos, those old videos that have been sat on your hard drive for however long, with the correct data, the data that these videos are using. And we can essentially rank straight away. Does that make sense? Now, if you don't have your own videos, if you don't want to make your own videos, what we can do here is we can go on to step 2. So if I was to select this one, for example, and then add the data there, it's added that one, and then we can create a video inside of Video Sumo. What we can do here is we can add in a URL here and then submit there, and it will open up the website. And then what we can do is we can crop any aspects of the website and turn them into slides, which we can use to make our own videos. And let me show you how that works. So we drop in the URL here. This is perfect for affiliate marketing or launch jacking. What I'm going to do here is click submit, wait for it to load. Then you can see that the website loads here. As it opens, you'll also see this selection frame. So this is repositionable. You can move it about, you can drag it about, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, but essentially what we can do with this is choose sections of any website, any page. I'm just going to show you now, and turn that into a slide. So I selected this area here, wait for it to load. There you can see we have our first slide. Okay, so this is again perfect if you're launch jacking, if you're an affiliate, if you're looking to make quick videos just to plug a little traffic pocket. You can make one of these videos in literally minutes. So if I just come down here, for example, and let's say that I wanted to use a section here, and maybe we'll just take that section there. And you can see how easy it is to build your slides, to build a video. Then all I need to do is click proceed. Now at this stage you could add in another URL here if you wanted to make slides from additional videos. So if you wanted to combine 2 or 3 websites and take slides from each one of those, combine the whole thing, mash it all up, you can do. But what I'm going to do here is just click on next, just to keep this short and to the point. So now you can see that we have some additional features. So you can add text over the video, you can position it, you can change the font family, you can change the font color, background color, etc. You can add intros, and you can have outros. So you can kind of sandwich an existing video if you like, or something that you make with our software, with an intro and an outro. And then once you're happy with the way your video looks, you can add audio. So you can see here we have some audio options. These are all built in, so you can include your own audio, or you can add one of our included audio files here. And then you can save and share the video. You can see that I can upload this directly to YouTube or Vimeo. Now, in order to do this, you will need to set up the software with your accounts. So this is something that you do just once at the beginning. You only need to do it once, and then with all your videos, you just upload them directly from the software. So just to recap, Video Sumo is not about being the best video creation software out there. It's not about being the most in-depth research tool out there. It's about fast results. If you want fast results, you want to be able to rank your videos and drive traffic from those video pockets and do it remarkably quickly, then this is a software that will help you achieve just that. So again, you can research any phrase by simply dropping in a seed keyword or phrase. The software will correlate data from YouTube and Google, it will analyze it for you, and it will return it as color-coded results. So you can see instantly which phrases are going to be easy for you to rank. You can extract all of the data from leading campaigns and use it on your own videos. That includes descriptions, subjects, tags, pretty much everything you need in order to rank your videos. You can include that in your own videos, which you make with Video Sumo, or you can download it and use it for videos you may already have. But to summarize, Video Sumo is about easy, fast results. Let me give you another quick example before I finish up with this video. So you can see here I have a post, easy recurring income, and I wanted to drive additional traffic to this post. Essentially, it just promotes an affiliate product. So I used Video Sumo to find a number of phrases which I could rank one video for. So I made one video and I ranked it for a number of different phrases. Let me show you some of the results. So you can see here how to start a successful membership site. I'm not signed in, so this isn't cached or anything like that. So you can see 136 million results, which is a fair old whack, I'm sure you'll agree. And then if I just scroll down here, you can see that my video there is on page 1. So yeah, it's not right at the top. And let me just scroll to the bottom of the page so you can see that this is actually page 1. Okay, so you can see there, page 1, and there I am there. So this is achieved using Video Sumo. Okay, so one video, again, you can upload one video for multiple different phrases and you can rank for all of them. And that allows you to drive traffic to pretty much anywhere. So although you may not get thousands and thousands of hits every single day for, say, this phrase here, for example, if you were to take this video and add it to many, many different phrases, so upload it to lots and lots of different phrases individually, using Video Sumo, using the phrases that the software finds for you, then you can compound the amount of traffic that you can get to your offers, affiliate offers, your websites, pretty much anywhere you want to send it. And it takes just minutes. So thanks once again for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. I hope you can see the potential in Video Sumo, and I hope it helps you get the results that you need.